Few years ago in 2014, I saw this amazing movie named Minority Report. Tom Cruise crushed it. But what was more attractive for me was its UI. Tom Cruise just wore two gloves on his hands and controlled the whole computer system just by using hand gestures. It was really amazing for me. But in 2014, I did not have enough computer programming knowledge so that I can think that it is even possible in real life. But guys, this is 2020 and I have grown up my knowledge to such an extent that I can bring a small part of it to real life and show you in this video. So let's get started. The idea is pretty simple. When I bring my hands closer to the computer screen, it understands that it's a sign of forward movement, and when I take it back from the computer screen, then it understands as backward movement. But when I convert my palm into a fist, then it understands as a left or right movement along the x-axis. When I move my fist towards the left, it's a left turn, and when I move towards the right, it's a right turn. To build this program, I use Python as the programming language and OpenCV as the computer vision library that recognizes my gestures and translates it to the program so that it can take necessary action according to the gesture received. The computer vision program tracks my palm and recognizes it so that it can plot its position in the z-axis and my fist position in the x-axis. This is how the program works, and when my palm reaches a certain distance on x-axis or z-axis, then it triggers the actions necessary for it. Now it's testing time, so let's test this program and see how it works. That's it for today guys. If you enjoyed this video, please consider pressing the like button, and if you want to watch more of this, please consider subscribing this channel and turn on the bell notification so that you can never miss a video from this channel. That's it. I'll catch you in the next video.